Hello and hi friends, my name is Rich Chauhan and you're watching my channel Taught Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Battle.net error. The error comes with we are having a problem transforming data. We have a solution. You can follow this very carefully. Just need to open the command prompt of Windows 10 as an administrator. You have to run this as an administrator and write some commands over here. The first command is net sh space int space ip space reset space c colon / reset log dot txt, then press enter. Now you have to type net sh winsock space reset, then press enter. Now ip config / flush dns, then press enter. Finally you need to type exit. Now you have to restart your PC and see that your problem would be resolved. You will not get this issue again. We are having a problem transforming data. So if this video helped you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe. Please subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have still remaining such kind of error, you should you just need to leave your comment on the comment section. I will help you out individually within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.